another day, another mini vlog as an ESL teacher living here in Vietnam. For today's video, samahan niyo ako and we are going to the public market where am I right now. Since naubusan na ako ng prutas at gulay, then I think I will buy this avocado and some other fruits like this mango, then yung pomelo at yung plum. Actually, napakamura ng prutas dito. This is the thing that I like most here in Vietnam kasi very affordable na yung mga prutas. And imagine this mango, I just bought it for 35 pesos. Grabe ang sarap ng mango. And accessible digital bayad. You will just scan the QR code and ayun, finish na. And in this market, ang daming options, ang daming prutas, ang daming meat, at ang daming gulay. Then, may nakausap ako isa sa mga seller dito. Sabi niya, mostly of the vegetables and fruits here are all organic. And isa dito yung talbos ng kamote. Then, I asked her if organic siya. Sabi niya, yes, it is. Then, ayun, bumili ako ng 20 pesos. At sabi niya, lucky daw ako because this is her first harvest. Bibigyan niya ako ng maraming talbos kamote. Then I also asked about the egg. She said it's organic egg kasi ang dami yung native chicken. But I didn't buy the egg. Instead, I bought galunggong. Ito yung kinaganda dito. Pag bibili ka, nalinisan na nila lahat. Then, nothing to worry about it. At yung lugar na